welcome back to the Hobby Farm. Lately I've been having trouble uploading videos onto YouTube because of YouTube not recognizing the software that I use. Hopefully it's just a glitch on YouTube's side, and that'll get resolved, because right now I have to download onto my computer off the software, and then it has to redo the rendering. It's just a real big pain in the butt. So I'm hoping that it gets fixed soon. So the videos are going to kind of slow down a little bit, and I got a few of them. It's just taking too much time, and me having to put them on my computer takes up a huge amount of space for some of these videos. So today I'm just going to go ahead and repair this rake and see what else we can get into. So sit back and relax and enjoy the video. These rakes, for some reason, they just break so easy. The plastic on them is so brittle. I don't understand. I mean, it's probably like the fourth one I've put on this rake in the last 3 months maybe. I mean, they don't last whatsoever. So I'm hoping this one lasts a little bit. Just have to get them on there so far to line that bolt up. Looks good. Yeah, hopefully this one lasts a little bit longer. It just doesn't take much for these things to break. Oh, let's see. There it goes. All right, there we go, new rake. So let's go take it out to the barn. Oh yeah, by the way, it snowed pretty good the other night, but temperature right now feels about 30 or so. It looks like I got a limb down over there off that pine tree. So we got a little bit of work we got to get done. The last couple days of weather has just been, just stupid. I mean, it was like 60, and then that night it was like freezing rain. Then after that, it was a bunch of snow. So it's just can't make its mind up. I just wish it would do something, either freeze or just warm up, one or the other. But yeah, I mean, my property's just flooded. I can't even hardly walk in it. Just sinking. So until we get some better weather around here, I'm not really going to be able to get into any major projects. But you know, we got a few things coming up. So yeah, I just want to give you guys a little update and tell you what's going on with uploading the videos, and hopefully that'll render itself out and get it all fixed up so I can continue to do this. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. It was just an update and shorty, but just wanted to keep in touch. I'll catch you guys later.